जय श्रीमन्नारायण. This boy has been sponsored by the Swarnaja Bhaskar Garu. She is doing a lot of work in reforming the prisoners in the Chenchalguda and also Rajamandri jail, Jagapalli jail. When these floods were there, her husband, Mr. Bhaskar Rao, Haveri Seeds, has given more than 60 lakhs worth of seeds to the farmers. When Swamiji went there to see them, they said, we don't want food, we don't want money, we don't want clothes, we don't want utensils, but we want some seeds to sow. And her husband is into this seeds business. We belong to the same village accidentally, but he has done a lot of good work which was appreciated, and the crop was doubled, for your information. With the grace of our Swamiji, they have invited Swamiji, have shown him how maize and other things the crop has come. The both wife and husband, they are contributing a lot. We really give them a big hand. And this God also has come only through her, and definitely he will come up to this place. We take this opportunity to once again thank all of you. We are so fortunate that we all have the blessings of His Holiness Sri Swamiji, and we look forward for the parents to support, as Swamiji mentioned. And also I advise the students to think on those lines in which Swamiji has advised you. We hope that you will do it, and definitely you will become better. Jai Srimanarayan.
Hmm.